Unraveling the mystery of chasing a wild goose. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English idiom that often puzzles learners: chasing a wild goose. You might have heard this phrase in conversations or seen it in writings, but what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday English. At its core, chasing a wild goose refers to engaging in a futile or pointless pursuit. It implies that the goal is unattainable, much like trying to catch a wild goose by running after it. This phrase is often used to describe actions or tasks that are considered a waste of time because the likelihood of success is almost non-existent. The term wild goose chase has a rich history, dating back to the 16th century. Initially, it referred to a type of horse race where riders followed a led horse in a formation similar to wild geese flying. Over time, its meaning evolved to signify a senseless pursuit, reflecting the unpredictability and difficulty of catching a wild goose. Understanding when and how to use chasing a wild goose can enhance your English communication. Here are some examples. When someone is persisting in an effort that's unlikely to yield results, you might say, "They're just chasing a wild goose." To advise someone against pursuing an unrealistic goal, you could tell them, "You might be chasing a wild goose with this plan." It's also useful to know some variations, such as wild goose chase or on a wild goose chase. These phrases carry the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. For instance, I realized I was on a wild goose chase trying to find that rare book in local stores. Understanding idioms like chasing a wild goose can enrich your English vocabulary and make you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not just about memorizing them but understanding the context in which they are used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.